Hello everyone, my name is Charisse Castagnoli and I'm the mother of 3 boys and also a software startup executive. I met Mark 20 years ago. He's actually my husband's best friend from high school. And if you don't think it's nerve-wracking to meet your husband's best friend just before you get married, try it sometime. But a few years ago, I was looking at our investment portfolio and thinking about what we should be doing, and Mark suggested we should look at Austin real estate. So Mark has helped me over a number of years now to buy several single-family homes as well as some commercial rental properties. Throughout the process, it's been an amazing experience. Mark really knows Austin. He knows what's hot, he knows what's not, and he has a meticulous attention to detail that makes anybody comfortable. So I would say it's an excellent experience to work with Mark. If I could sum him up in 3 words, it'd be dedicated, diligent, and most importantly, trustworthy. So if you're looking for a first home, a new home, a rental property, or just someplace else to park your money, I'd highly recommend Mark without reservation.